Hi guys! Welcome again to another ronTechPH tutorial. For today's video, I'm going to teach you 3 ways to retouch your images like removing blemishes, acne, scars, eye bags, and etc. using Adobe Photoshop. Before we start, if you are interested to learn more skills in Photoshop, kindly visit and watch my Photoshop playlist tutorial. I will be putting the link on the description box, or you can click on the pop-up notification right above. Also, kindly follow my Instagram for more tech tutorial and lifestyle updates. The link is also at the description box. The first way to retouch your images is by using the patch tool. We are going to use the patch tool to remove all the blemishes on the image. First, select the patch tool or simply click J on your keyboard. If you are done, make a selection on the part of the skin that has a blemishes by clicking your mouse, then drag your mouse pointer into a circular motion to make a selection. After making a selection, find a part on the skin that is not affected by blemishes, then drag out the selection you make on the part that has no blemishes. As you can see, we are able to patch out the blemishes on this area. By using the patch tool, we are just literally patching out the things we want to fix. Just continue patching out the blemishes until it is fully gone. As you can see, we successfully removed all the blemishes by using the patch tool compared to the previous one. The second way to retouch your images is by using the healing brush tool. We are going to use the healing brush tool to remove all the eye bags on the images. First, select the healing brush or simply press Shift J on your keyboard to change your current retouching tool. After selecting the healing brush, find a clear area on the skin that has no eye bags, then hold and press Alt key on your keyboard and click your mouse pointer to select that area. The area that we select will help us to patch out all the eye bags on the skin. Let's now brush out the eye bags by dragging out the brush pointer on the affected area. As you can see, we are able to remove the eye bags on the right eye of the image. Now, let's continue brushing out the eye bags on the other eye. As you can see, we successfully removed all the eye bags by using the healing brush tool compared to the previous one. The third and last way to retouch your images is by using the spot healing brush tool. We are going to use the spot healing brush tool to remove all the acne on the image. First, select the spot healing brush tool or simply press Shift J on your keyboard to change your current retouching tool. Let's now brush out the acne by dragging out the brush pointer on the affected area. As you can see, by using the spot healing brush tool, we can able to smoothen the skin and able to remove some parts of the acne from the images. Now, let's continue brushing out the acne. As you can see, we successfully removed the acne by using the spot healing brush tool compared to the previous one. Reminder, please keep in mind that you can use these tools to retouch any images you want to edit, but each tool has a different use in different kinds of situation. What I did is only to show you how to use the different retouching tools. It is up to you what kind of retouching tool you are going to use. Because, like for example, you cannot use the patch tool on curved and narrow places on the images you want to edit. Instead, you can use the flexibility of the healing brush tool and the spot healing brush tool because you can able to resize and transform it to any size you want. That's it guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell to keep you updated. And if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Have a nice day everyone! Also, kindly follow my Instagram account for more tech tutorial and lifestyle updates.